Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be making natural dusting spray or furniture cleaner. Items we're going to need: 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 5 to 10 drops of essential oils. I like to use white fir or lemon. They both smell great and go great with furniture. 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, 3/4 of a cup of water, or enough water to fill up an 8-ounce spray bottle. An 8-ounce glass spray bottle. Hey guys, before we begin, there's links down there in the description where you can find the best prices on all of these items, especially our essential oils, and also join our Facebook community where we talk about essential oils all day long. To begin, we're going to place 1 teaspoon of olive oil into our container. Now, add 5 to 10 drops of your choice of essential oil. Now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Before you add the water, close the container, shake it up, mix all those ingredients together, and then reopen it. Now that your ingredients are mixed, you're going to add the 3/4 cup of water. Just be careful that you don't overfill it. What is this good for? Anytime you're going to use Pledge or Lysol or something like this to dust or clean your furniture, especially wood furniture, it's a perfect time to get out your essential oils, guys. Shake that up, and there you guys go, another natural solution to a toxic problem. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our do-it-yourself projects. Guys, essential oils have so many uses, and we're going to be covering tons of them on this channel. You do not want to miss out. Please subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you later.